Bakit nga ba maraming content creator ang nagpo-promote ng Ownbank? Ano bang meron sa Ownbank? I have been using Ownbank for 365 days since last year, October 2023, at ito ang aking review sa Ownbank. Kung interested ka, keep on watching. Hey, this is your Kuya Quizzy, your digital technology nomad sa Pilipinas. At ito ang aking review patungkol sa Ownbank. So before I started giving a review pala sa Ownbank, nag-survey muna ako sa community ko. And based sa aking survey, yung mga interest ng mga tao in terms sa bank is interest rate, customer service, maintaining balance, user-friendly interface, and promos and rewards. And based dyan sa characteristic na yan, i-review natin si Ownbank. But there is one thing na gusto ko munang i-clear sa inyo before mag-start ang review. Yung one thing na yun is that sasagutin ko na safe si Ownbank. Yes, kasi nga, before naman mag-invest tayo or mag-save sa isang bangko, dapat malaman natin kung safe ba ito. So, paano ko siya nasabing safe siya? Safe siya kasi PDIC insured siya and regulated by the Bangko Sentral lang Pilipinas. Meaning, if yung Ownbank ay nagsara at may pera ka doon, may insured yung pera mo up to 500k. So, mababawi mo siya from PDIC. So, here is my review na. So, ngayon na alam na natin na safe si Ownbank at regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, here is my review in terms sa interest rate. So, in terms sa interest rate, malaki po yung interest rate ni Ownbank compared sa other digital bank. Isa pa, daily sila magbigay ng interest compared sa mga other digital bank na I will not name na hindi daily nagbibigay kundi monthly. Ang kagandahan pa nito, if you use my referral code in creating your Ownbank account or yung link na ilalagay ko sa description or comment section, hindi lang po 6% yung interest rate ninyo kundi magiging up to 8% pa if you qualify. Kailangan mo lang gawin is that mag-create ng Ownbank account, magpa-fully verify, at mag-deposit ka ng at least 50 to 100 pesos ba yun para mag-qualify ka sa kanilang promo. But the higher, the better. Pangalawa, in terms naman sa customer service, maganda yung customer service ni Ownbank if you try sa email. Kasi last week, nung nag-transfer ako ng pera, 50,000 yun, from Ownbank to Landbank, hindi agad nag-reflect yung pera. So, nag-email ako kay Ownbank at agad-agad naman silang nag-response. So, maganda yung customer service nila in terms sa email. Pero if hindi ka techie at you're having a hard time sa email, I cannot recommend Ownbank. Kasi nga po, nag-try ako, na-contact sila sa Facebook at yung number nila sa telephone, hindi sila makontak-contact. If may sasagot naman sa FB ninyo, if nag-message kayo, AI lang. So, medyo, alam mo yun, hindi siya user-friendly. In terms naman sa maintaining balance, wala pong maintaining balance si Ownbank. So, kahit 0 pesos pa yung Ownbank account mo, balance doon, hindi siya magsasara. So, if you want to create an Ownbank account right now and nagpa-fully verify ka na at plan mo siya lagyan in the future, you don't need to worry na ma-close yung account mo. Pang-apat, yung user-friendly interface. In terms naman sa user-friendly interface, hindi ganun ka-user-friendly si Ownbank. Kasi nga po, kung first time mo lang gagamitin si Ownbank, hindi mo agad masasaulo. But if you keep on using Ownbank, madali na lang siya along the way, but hindi siya on the level na friendly siya for beginner. Pang-apat, sa promos and reward, wala pang masyadong promos and reward ngayon si Ownbank except yung pag-invite ng mga friends sa paggamit ng Ownbank, pag-invite ng merchant. So hopefully in the future, gaganda pa itong mga promo nila. So, based on those 5 na ating ginamit na criteria in giving a review sa Ownbank, ilan ba yung i-rate mo kay Ownbank? I-rate ko kay Ownbank is out of 10, 8. Kasi nga po, marami pang pwedeng i-improve si Ownbank. So, if you also have a Ownbank, share mo naman dito kung ano yung experience mo sa Ownbank. So, if wala ka pa rin Ownbank, and gusto mo mag-create ng Ownbank account, then may link ako sa comment section at sa description so that makakreate ka na ng Ownbank account mo at ma-experience mo na yung 6% interest rate annually, which is a really great interest. So if you like this type of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang. See you in my next video. Let's go.